What's up, Lite Nation?
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Now, for those of you that are new to the channel, I'm Brittany Williams.
And I'm her wonderful husband, Kevin Williams.
He's not my dad. Guys, we're here at East Coast Supercharging in New Jersey, and we are super stoked to show you guys two incredibly rad things that they are working on here in shop. First is actually going to be, or what is going to be, the first ever center exit exhaust for the all-new C8 Corvette.
Yeah, they're just getting ready to finish that up. And the second is they are actually in the process of making a twin turbo top mount kit, which I know there's those twin turbos out there, but this is obviously going to be special along with their center exit exhaust. It looks sick.
Now, since they're almost done with the exhaust and they're actually about ready to go ahead and install it, I want to go ahead and talk about it and show you to it before they put it on the car. Now, although this C8 Corvette specifically is already equipped with Cook's headers with green cats, this beautiful piece of artwork right here, which was crafted by the mad scientist here at ECS, is actually going to be able to bolt directly up to the factory headers as well. So whether or not you have an aftermarket setup or a factory setup, you'll still be able to utilize this. And if you compare it to the factory exhaust over there,
yeah.
I think it's pretty easy to also figure out that you're going to be saving a ton of weight as well.
Now, I know you guys are probably like, well, hey, the stock exhaust is going to leave big gaping holes on the outside of the bumper. Don't worry. Of course, they have a fix for that. So what they did was they got the factory honeycomb that goes in the center here to match, and voila, look at that.
So you'll literally have something that still looks like it's totally factory, because it's going to match just about everything else.
Yep.
These guys have really nice attention to detail. Now, with all that being said, we're going to go ahead and get out of these guys' hair so they can get to the important part, which is installing it, in which case we can get to the more important part, which is seeing it and hearing it firsthand.
Got so much weight on my shoulders, enough to knock me out, but I'm still holding the throne. You never know till it's over. So pretty it hurts, just beware of the thorns. You got a glimpse, and you can't resist, luring you in closer. Guess I got a jinx. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. You want an honest man, but you don't understand. I won't be here when you wake up again. Got so much I need to cover. All the lies I lied, been with me for.
Oh my God, that's so rad. Did you get it? Did you get it, Jelly?
snap, that sounds so good.
Now, if a center exit exhaust and headers isn't badass enough or enough power for you, East Coast Supercharging is also working on coming out with this. It's a top mount twin turbo kit with an air-to-water intercooler. And I'm told that they're also trying to build it so that it'll work with their center exit exhaust, which would be hella freaking rad.
That'd be super dope.
That'd be so dope. Of course, though, the entire world right now is waiting on tuning, which means that they've got a little more time to make this super insanely perfect. That way the production model can be released in time with proper tuning to make a ton of power.
Oh yeah, this thing's gonna be insane. I mean, there's that one girl that already blew up hers. She did a twin turbo kit and blew it up right away. So.
Yeah, there's some bugs in the tuning that definitely need to be worked out. Period.
Well, yeah, because there's no tuning yet for it. So she just threw on a twin turbo kit and
boom!
Yeah. So that happened.
They're going to perfect this East Coast Supercharging. Again, you can check out their website and stay up to date on when it will be officially released. But again, pairing this with that center exit exhaust is going to be so rad.
Can we sell our Supra and get a C8 Corvette with some twin turbos, please? Please?
What do you want to sell my Supra for? Why don't you sell one of your cars? Now, as for the car itself, you can see they've already got it back up on the lift and taken apart because they're making revisions to the exhaust before they've come out with the final production model. Yep. Guys, if you're interested in a C8 Corvette, this is definitely something you should be keeping your eye on. You don't need to be keeping your eye on it.
I do.
We have
it looks so
cars
sick.
Already.
I know, but come on, a twin turbo center exit exhaust C8 with like 750, 800 wheel, and that's on like the low end.
The low end. That would be super rad.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll sell the Super. I don't know. I like the Super. Anyways, we were super honored to have the opportunity to be able to show you guys some of these products before they've even hit the market.
Yeah.
It's pretty rad. We're super excited about the opportunity, and we hope you guys are as well. As always, guys, though, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Remember, you can find all your Lite Brite Nation merch at LiteBriteStudios.com. All of your Lite Brite Nation decals at PixelDecals.com.
We love you. And
we will see you next time.
Later, guys.
Jelly. Jelly, did you get the kitty? That kitty does not like you. Oh, there's the other one.
Look at these cats. Let's see your arm. Your arm, come here. Let me just see it. Come here. Don't make the people wait. Let's see. I think it's good. I think you did a good job taking care of it. Oh, that's not good. I mean, it's healed really nicely for how bad it is.
Thank you.
But that's bad.
Yes, I understand. Thank you very much.